Okay, for this assignment, I'm supposed to answer the question, are antibodies important for a person's health? And let's see, I'm supposed to find two pieces of evidence that are going to support my conclusion. And then I need to make sure I have a good topic sentence. Or are antibodies important for a person's health? And I have to write a really good topic sentence to have two pieces of evidence to support it. All right, let's take a look at this article. First thing I'm going to do, I'm actually going to go to annotate with Cami. Cami is a cool little program that allows me to mark up some text and do some extra stuff on articles. Makes it a little bit easier to use. So let's see what this looks like. Ooh, I now have Cami open. Scary. I'm going to move this over a little bit so I can see the article a little bit better. Let's see. And ooh, they have shapes, erasers, drawing, equations. Look at all these tools. Markup, that's what I want. Highlight. Ooh, I could highlight yellow. All right, let's see what this looks like. So here's the title. What are antibodies? Ooh, look, I was able to highlight that yellow. Nice. All right. I'll go with that yellow. Let's see what that looks like. I have headings. Antibodies and antigens. That's interesting. Different types of antibodies. Okay. What else? Antibodies and vaccines. Oh, I know vaccines stop people from getting sick. All right, so let's go take a look at what I got. And my question again is, are antibodies important for a person's health? So I have to look for ways that yes or no, are they important to a person's health? All right, let's start reading. The world is full of different germs. That's not cool. All right. They are so tiny you can't see them with your eyes. Some of them can make you very sick if they invade your body. These tiny invaders are called pathogens. They cause disease or illness. Pathogens include bacteria and viruses. Okay, so you have pathogens cause disease or illness. Let's go. I'll mark that. That seems interesting. Luckily, your body's immune system can protect you. Cool. Your immune system is a collection of cells and their responses. It helps the body fight off infections. Oh, so the immune system fights off infections. That's good. It also deals with substance from the outside of the body that may cause allergies. All right. The immune system has many ways to protect you. Some of its strongest weapons are proteins called antibodies. Okay, so one of the strongest weapons of the immune system is antibodies. So antibodies help the immune system. All right. A protein is a type of large molecule found in living things. Your body uses proteins to build and repair cells. Okay, so antibodies are proteins, and our bodies use proteins to fix our cells. All right, that's interesting. Let's keep going. Proteins perform important jobs in the body, and antibodies have a very important job. Antibodies find and attack proteins that don't appear to belong in your body. All right, you know what? This is probably going to be one of my evidence sentences right there. That looks super important. Antibodies find and attack proteins that don't appear or belong in my body. And that makes sense because I'm guessing some of those other proteins that don't belong are those viruses and bacteria. What were they called again? I highlighted, pathogens. I bet those pathogens are some of those ones they fight. Let's keep reading. They are also known as antigens. Wait. Oh, antibodies are called antigens. Okay. Bacteria, viruses, and other tiny invaders have antigens. Uh-oh. Our bodies fight germs with white blood cells. These cells are part of our immune system. They are different types. One kind of white blood cell is called a B cell. Antigens bind to B cells. This makes the B cells divide. Then they change into plasma cells. This is a lot of different cell types. A plasma cell is a type of immune cell. Okay, immune cell, that's the stuff that helps our body. It can produce millions of antibodies for a specific antigen. Oh, okay. So the antigens get a hold of those white blood cells, then the white blood cells produce lots and lots of antigens to help fight. These antibodies travel throughout the body. They hunt for things with those same antigens. When an antibody spots one, it sticks to it. The antibody then sets up a chain of events that will destroy the antigen. Okay, so there's a lot of antis and a lot of cells here, but I think it's saying that you have white blood cells make antibodies, and those go through and find those bad antigens, and then they start killing them to protect our bodies. All right. There are different types of antibodies. Each has a different job. For example, IgM antibodies are the first to go to the site of infection. They offer some protection for your body. However, they don't hang around long. The body makes a new type of antibody, IgG antibodies. All right, so lots of different types of antibodies. And all my question, what was my question again? Are antibodies important for a person's health? Well, yeah, okay. So we're talking about lots of different types of antibodies. You have some that show up early. You have some that get there later. Although I'm not sure if that's what I want right now. I don't know if this is going to be good evidence for me. Let's keep going. IgG antibodies stick around during the attack. These antibodies remain in your blood. They continue to fight off the infection. IgA antibodies are found in your body fluids. These include sweat, saliva, tears. They stop invaders. Yeah, this is interesting, but this isn't going to help me answer my questions. This is just kind of showing where they're at. Let's keep going. IgE antibodies are triggered by allergens. Wait, I have allergies. What is this? An allergen is a substance that causes the immune system to go into overdrive. One example of an allergen is the protein in peanuts. IgE antibodies respond quickly. They can make your nose run or your skin itch. This is known as an allergic reaction. That's what happens to me around cats. Cats are evil, by the way, if you didn't know that. Moving on. Memory cells are part of the immune system. They are a type of white blood cells. They remain in the body after you have been sick with an infection. Memory cells keep track of the antigens they have seen already. If they see them in your body again, they know what to do. Oh, that's really cool. So our immune system remembers stuff that it's fought before. And if they see something again, they take it out. That's really cool. So it remembers how to fight off different viruses. Vaccines make this whole process quicker. They give you a weakened version of a pathogen. They don't make you sick, but they cause your body to start making antibodies. Oh, so vaccines, that's how they work. They get our body to start making the stuff, the antibodies, that fight off the diseases. This helps your immune system learn to recognize the pathogens. It keeps you from getting sick. Okay, so are antibodies important for a person's health? Yes. I mean, that I see that now, that's clear. They are. All right, let's see how they are important. Let's go back and find that evidence. I'm going to go back to this pointer tool so I could select something. I remember a really good one early on. Antibodies find and attack proteins that don't belong in your body. That was a big one. Let's copy that and put that over here. Paste. I didn't need all that. Just all right. So there's one piece of evidence. Oh, this is evidence, though. And this is a quote. I need to cite it. I need to make it in quotation marks because I just copied and pasted. And I should also highlight it yellow because this tells me to. And my evidence needs to be highlighted yellow. Let's do that. All right. So I need another one to show that it's important. Well, there's a lot of good stuff here. Let's see. There's proteins. No, that's not a big deal. These tiny invaders called pathogens. Oh, I need to find stuff about antibodies. Produce millions. The antibody then sets up a chain of events that will destroy the antigen. Oh, perfect. That's what I want. Put that in here. Yeah, because that talks about how the antibodies go through and destroy the bad stuff I don't want in me. So, all right. Perfect. So I have my two pieces of evidence. So let's get an answer here. All right. Now I know I need to put why. So yes, because they destroy antigens. There we go. I have my answer. Now I do have to remember though, I was given rules about topic sentences. So let's go through and start taking a look at my topic sentence rules. I just did notes on this on the topic sentence workshop here. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what I have. Answer the question clearly. Oh, I didn't even write down what I'm talking about. Yes, because they destroy antigens. That's sort of clear. That ain't bad. All right, let's see. Be confident. No, I think's good. I didn't put I think. Remove yes or no. Well, actually, no, I didn't write this clearly. Yes, antibodies are important because they destroy antigens better. Remove yes or no. Oops. Antibodies are important because they destroy it. Replace pronouns with descriptions. They. Ooh, okay. What are antibodies? I need a description of antibodies. Let's go back and look at it. Oh, I remember there was a good one in here. They find and attack proteins. No, let's see. It was higher. They had. It was talked about. They were proteins. Were right? Wasn't what they were? When they were like one of the best weapons. I can't find it. Proteins perform antibodies, find and attack proteins that appear in your body. I can't find it. Oh, there we go. Some of the strongest weapons are proteins called antibodies because these proteins that are a weapon of the immune system. There we go. That's a great description. So I replaced they with these proteins that are a weapon against the immune system. So antibodies are important because these proteins that are a weapon of the immune system destroy antigens. Oh, much better. Perfect. So I got a good description that I found there from the article. Let's see what else. Provide context. What was the context? In Disney's Frozen, when the charismatic noble. Oh, I didn't put the name of the article. Oops, that's not good. All right, fix that. In what, or in the article, what are antibodies? Should capitalize that. And who wrote it? Written by Science News for Students. Antibodies are important. Oh, I should put in the article. I should say according to the article. There we go. That's better for this one. All right. So I now have some context. Can I add more context? Because they destroy antigens. When does that happen? Oh, that was when there was something that attacked the body. Pathogens. When pathogens attack the body. So I provided context about when antigens do their job and context about what was the article and who wrote it. Very important. All right. What do I have left? I got another rule. No evidence. I don't have evidence in here. Oh, that's not good. Destroy antigens. And right here, this piece of evidence is they destroy antigens. That's not good. So let's see. How can I make it where I don't repeat my evidence? What did my evidence show? They find and attack proteins that don't belong in the body. They set up a chain of events that destroy the antigens. So instead of saying destroy antigens, how could I introduce that? Well, I could just go with because they help the body when the pathogens attack the body. I don't want to repeat the body twice, so I'll just go like that. I'll say when pathogens attack. So I've now introduced both of these, because both of these are how they help the body or help the immune system. And I already wrote immune system, so I don't want to write that twice. I think I now have a topic sentence. I got all my rules covered. Let's see. Oops. Always indent. And topic sentence, I need to make this green. Now it's green. Yay. All right. I have my two pieces of evidence. I have my topic sentence. I think I'm done. All right.